In this video, we will show you some firewall and their feature. Palo Alto, best for large enterprises. Scalability, options for small and medium-sized businesses, to large organizations, managed service providers, and huge data centers are available. Comprehensive visibility and control, provides extensive visibility and management of scattered network parts inside complicated network designs. User-based policies. User-based policies limit application access by integrating existing user repositories. Machine learning for threat detection, uses machine learning to detect threats and prevent intrusions. Innovation, continues to innovate with physical PA series, virtual VM series, and container CN series firewall solutions. Centralized management, uses Panorama for central management, giving administrators a single point of contact to handle next-generation firewalls. Pros: highly feature-rich, suitable for large enterprises requiring comprehensive functionality. Next-generation firewall available for container protection. Cons: Palo Alto is one of the more expensive NGFW solutions, and prices could be challenging for small businesses. Multiple customers reported long wait times for technical support. Fortinet, best for the value. Value, positioned as a more affordable option than Palo Alto. Security processing units are used to speed up network security computing. FortiOS, Fortinet's security-focused operating system with federated upgrades. Zero Trust capabilities, provides zero trust capabilities for identifying and protecting suspicious users and devices. VPN tunneling, scalable IPsec VPN tunneling for securing a remote and distributed workforce. User interface, has an appealing, well-designed user interface. Pros: Fortinet's next-generation firewall has solid SD-wide area network features for businesses that want an SD-wide area network alternative alongside their firewall. Fortinet has an attractive, well-designed user interface. Cons: multiple Fortinet customer reviews reported problems with technical support. Some users have reported intermittent system outages that have disrupted their activities. Checkpoint, best for sandboxing. Compatibility with hybrid infrastructure, supports physical, virtual, cloud, and mobile segments. Sandblast zero-day protection, this product is notable for its extensive sandboxing features. Extensive physical appliance options, provides a wide range of physical appliance options, including single and multi-domain administration. Centralized management, provides policy configuration rollouts and rollbacks to central management. Maestro Orchestrator, offers a network security solution for hyperscale installations. Barracuda CloudGen Firewall, best for hybrid cloud environments. Compatibility with hybrid infrastructure, designed for on-premises, virtualized, and cloud settings. Advanced Threat Protection, provides advanced threat protection through traffic management, IDPS, and VPN. Stateful Deep Packet Inspection, stateful deep packet inspection prevents malformed packets and attacks. High Availability, provides high availability through automatic load balancing and uplink options. Control over objects and configuration, provides management of objects, repositories, updates, privileges, and configuration. Pros: designed for hybrid cloud infrastructures. Thorough threat protection features and packet inspection for detailed network traffic analysis and protection. Knowledgeable, helpful support team according to reviews. Cons: some users struggled with complex configuration. Barracuda's dual consoles make management for hybrid cloud and on-premises users more complicated. Cisco, best for consistent network policies. Dynamic policy support, offers dynamic policy support with tag-based policies and attribute support. Developer-friendly, Kubernetes-based firewall alternatives that are developer-friendly, extremely elastic, and cloud-native. Log management offers log management combined with security incidents and behavioral analysis. Threat intelligence: the Cisco Talos Intelligence Group provides rapid and actionable threat intelligence. Unified control: the Secure Firewall Management Center provides unified control over firewall tools. Pros: advanced intrusion prevention features. Strong focus on consistent network policies. Cons: some reviewers found the UI sluggish or confusing. Integrations with third-party products to enhance overall compatibility should be improved. ForcePoint, best for cluster management. High availability clustering, offers device, VPN connection, and SD-WAN network high availability clustering. Unified software, on-premises, cloud-like, AWS and Azure, and VMware deployments are all supported by unified software. Security tool integration, works with ForcePoint's CASP, online security, and anti-malware sandboxing solutions. Application-level traffic protection, a good option for companies that want to deploy next-generation firewall to secure all enterprise applications. Centralized management, provides centralized management for improved application of distributed network policies. Pros: strong VPN client authentication. Additional ForcePoint software integrations. Protection for AWS and Azure cloud environments. Cons: ForcePoint could offer broader cloud protection. While users are typically satisfied with support, ForcePoint's limited channel network is a disadvantage.